Hello friends, how are you? I hope all are good. I am Dr. Nirmala Sharma. I did last video, simple programming language, message display and using a variable. Today I am presenting arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators, how to use arithmetic operators in PL SQL. So first of all, what is operator? Small things I can explain here in theoretical. After that at practical I will explain you and show the result also. So what is operator? Operator is a symbol, or what else? It's tell the compiler to perform the specific mathematical or logical manipulations. Or PL/SQL language has so many operators are there. So what type of operators? Arithmetic operators, relational operators, comparison operators, logical operator, string operators. Other operators I will discuss later video. Today I explain here only arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators is required a variable. So last video I did variable, how to declare a variable. So in this variables, I have to use the operator and how can we perform the result here. So plus operator, minus operator, multiplication operator, division and exponent operator. It means power operator. So you have to use add operator. So two operands are required, A plus B. So you have a value A and you have a value B. So then you get the result is here. Now subtract means minus. Minus is second operand from the first operand. So A minus B, you will get the result here. And multiplication, both operands are using multiplying symbol, star symbol. So A star B will give a number result. And division, so divides the numerator by the denominator. So supposed to be A divided by this slash symbol and B. So you get the result in here. And exponent, two star symbols are using a exponentation. So exponentation operator, it's raise one operand to power of others. So supposed to be A, two multiple sign means exponentation sign and B operand. So A operand and B operand and power show are here. So supposed to be what value are here. So you give the value here. So I have explained in A variable has value 10 and B variable has value 5. So like this. So our program is a PL/SQL display arithmetic operator, two numbers. So how can be two numbers are present here? So let's go. I have to explain there. So first of all, I will go to the online compiler PL/SQL. Last video like PL/SQL online compiler. Here first option I choose. Here is options are here. So previous time here is using declaration section, variable declaration part and begin and output. Last video I did everything, but today I have to explain here these points. So C is compulsory part I have to use because three sections are previous time discussed. First declaration, second mandatory executable, third is exceptionals. So I have only here. So in this part is variable is declared. So two things are here, directly operator you can use, your variable you can use. So first I'll have show you directly value are using with operator. So what the result is here, first DBMS and put the value here, 10 value. A has a 10 value and B has a 5 value, just like. So I have first only value put and variables are operators are using there. So this is what the result here. So let's go this one result. So you get like this result. Yes, another option I have to use declare then variable declare a value. So I have to use a variable and a variable is integer type. So you use integer type, then colon equals to value. It's equals to value is A has a 10 value, 10 and semicolon. Now B integer set colon has 5 value, semicolon. Then here is use previous exam I have directly value use here, but here now I use A and B here. So what the result is here? The error, this is something is error is there, so it means error is showing here. So here is missing to equals to symbol. So then display here. So B integer and A like this. See here, automatically only put the, if syntax has error, so errors are showing here. So understand how to, I have given the space also, so error is telling there, so you can find out the error. So now we again here value put A, variable A, and again here B, change here. Now A has variable A, then B has 5 here, means multiplication. After that again use A variable and division variable is B, and first variable is A, exponent part, and second variable operand is B part. So these operand you can pass here. So now I have passed the variables. Variable, yeah, you can say operand. A operand, B operand are using plus operator, minus operator, division and multiplication. So this result is coming here. So like this. So you have to direct value you will be present, you put in this function. Yeah, you can assign the variable, then you have to write a operators with operand. So you get the result. So many methods